Have you ever stopped to wonder why do we sleep? Seriously, we spend almost a third of our lives lying down, eyes closed, practically switched off. And here's the craziest part. Almost all animals do it too. Dogs, cats, lions, owls, even fish and insects have their moments of rest. But why? Let's dive into this mystery. From an evolutionary point of view, sleep is actually kind of strange. Think about it. Out there in the wild, with predators roaming around, spending hours completely still, unconscious, and unable to react doesn't sound like the smartest survival strategy. It's like being a walking buffet for any hungry animal nearby. But if sleep were really that useless or dangerous, nature would have found a way to eliminate it by now. And guess what? The opposite happened. Sleep appears in almost every animal species we know. From tiny insects to giant mammals, everyone sleeps. So there must be a really important reason for it, right? Science believes that sleep is a super important maintenance process for both the body and the brain. It's like a nightly workshop where several essential tasks happen: energy saving, hormone regulation, and even brain cleaning. Yep, while we sleep, our brain goes through a literal detox, flushing out toxins that build up during the day. But the coolest part is what happens inside our brain while we sleep. Memory, consolidation, emotional processing, and that famous mental reset to start the next day fresh and focused. Now about evolution. Sleep probably emerged as an adaptation strategy. Nocturnal animals sleep during the day to avoid predators. Diurnal animals sleep at night when it's harder to hunt and move around. Each species found its own biological way to fit sleep into their daily routine. For example, bats sleep all day and hunt at night. Lions, they sleep up to 20 hours a day. Dolphins sleep with only half of their brain at a time. Incredible, right? Even today, after millions of years of evolution, the human brain still desperately needs those hours of rest to work properly. Without sleep, our memory gets blurry, our attention span shrinks, our mood goes on a roller coaster, and our whole body falls out of sync. And here's a fun fact to wrap it up. Even now, scientists don't have all the answers about sleep. There are still many mysteries to uncover. But one thing is crystal clear. Sleep is essential for a healthy life. So, how about you? Did you sleep well last night? Tell me in the comments how many hours of sleep you usually get. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next deep dive, Behind Our Minds.